Hello to all the viewers once again. Today we have a 2012 Tesla P85 Performance 85 model. This was not a collision vehicle. It did not come in with any collision damage. We had purchased it. It had a bad battery pack. We removed the battery and removed the rear drive motor. Otherwise, it's a complete vehicle as you see it. Эта машина к нам пришла без повреждений. Она имела батарею, которая имела проблемы с балансом. То мы купили у клиента, купили ее целой, сняли батарею, сняли мотор. Остальное все на ней висит, как вы видите. Опять нету 85 киловаттной батареи, нету заднего перформанс мотора. The rear drive unit, performance drive unit, and the 85 kilowatt battery pack have been removed and are not included with the vehicle. Do a quick look under the hood here. Do have the grill with it. The main screen is free of any defects. This screen does have the bubbles. It's a great parts car, or to rebuild if you have a spare battery and a motor. Again, we can deliver it to New Jersey, New York port for $450. Можем ее доставить до порта за $450. Хорошая машина на запчасти или восстановить. Tires are like new on it. Great car.